Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal section. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-content development project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn implementing marketing in the organization.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-content on marketing management. Today, we are going to learn implementing marketing in the organization. Any organization or a company has some people who can carry out marketing analysis, planning, implementation and control. If the company is very small, one person might do all the marketing work: research, selling, advertising, customer service, and other activities. As the company expands, organizations emerge to plan and carry out marketing activities. In large companies, there can be many specialists: brand managers, salespeople and sales managers, market researchers, advertising experts, and other specialists. Companies can gain competitive advantage through effective implementation of marketing functions with within marketing with other departments. Marketing functional organizational activities. Modern marketing activities occur in several forms. The most common form is the functional organization, in which functional specialists had different marketing activities: a sales manager, an advertising manager, a marketing research manager, a customer service manager, a new product manager, etc. A company that sells across the country or internationally often uses a geographic organization, in which it sells and marketing people run specific countries, regions, and districts. A geographic organization allows salespeople to settle into a territory, get to know their customers, and work with a minimum of travel time and cost. Companies with many very different products or brands often create a product management or brand management organization. Using this approach, a manager develops and implements a complete strategy and marketing program for specific product or brand. Product management first appeared in 1929. It is believed that Procter and Gamble has gone for a new product management. A new SOP Keme was not doing well, and product management was introduced over there. Well, many companies are finding that today's marketing environment calls for less brand focus and more customer focus. They are shifting towards customer equity management, moving away from managing just product profitability and towards managing customer profitability. If we look to implementing marketing, we can say implementation is difficult. It is easier to think up good marketing strategies than it is to carry them out. Many managers think that doing things right is as important as or even more important than doing the right things. I mean to say, implementation is more important than strategy formulation. Whatever strategies are, but if you implement them rightly, you can do very well. However, both of them are equal important, as you can say, per my belief. However, companies can gain competitive advantages through effective implementation. One firm can have essentially the same strategy as another, yet win in the marketplace through faster or better execution is the key over here. In an increasingly connected world, people at all levels of the marketing system must work together to implement marketing plans and strategies. Well, you can say, for example, you can talk about a company who has implemented very well and they are doing extraordinary well. They also connect with the outside people, advertising agencies and other stakeholders. Companies can do very well by effective implementation rather than having the similar strategies in spite of having the similar strategies. Successful marketing implementation depends on how well the company blends its people, organizational structure, decision and reward system, and company culture into a cohesive action program that supports its strategies. At all levels, the company must be staffed by people who have the needed skills, motivation, and personal characteristics. Before a company can hope to obtain and retain its customers, it must learn how to gain, train, and retain its staff. Well, a major recent study shows within industries, human resource management and the quality of management training to be the largest indicator of companies' performance. Another factor affecting successful implementation is the company's decision and reward systems. Formal and informal operating procedures that guide planning, budgeting, compensation, and other activities. For example, if a company compensates managers for short-run results, they will have little incentive to work towards long-run objectives. Companies recognizing these areas broadening their incentive systems to include more than sales volume. Finally, for successful implementation, the firm's marketing strategies must fit with its culture. Company culture is a system of values and beliefs shared by people in an organization. It is the company's collective identity and meaning. The culture informally guides the behavior of people at all company levels. Marketing strategies that do not fit the company's style and culture will be difficult to implement. Because managerial style and culture are so hard to change, companies usually design strategies that fit current cultures rather than trying to change their styles and cultures to fit new strategies. Thus, successful marketing implementation depends on how well the company blends five elements: action programs, organizational structure, decision and reward system, human resources, and company culture. That must be built into a cohesive program that support its strategies. So this was about implementing marketing in the organization. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.